Hi, my name is Emma. I work full time and I realized that I am not cut out for sourdough. So I'm gonna make a bread that's a bit easier today. I would say this is a beginner to intermediate bread. We're making ciabatta today. First thing we're adding is yeast and warm water. Ideally, you don't just wanna be using warm water from the tap. You wanna boil some water and mix it with cold water, like just over 400 mils. I've got these instant sachets, but you can use normal yeast too. 8 grams. If your water's too hot, you will kill the yeast, which is probably the trickiest part of making this bread. Olive oil is kind of optional, but it makes the texture nice. So you can add a dash of that, like 40 mils. Then we're going in with 500 grams of flour. You can use bread flour or pure plain, depending on your budget. I've got pure plain today. Give it some salt, like 8 grams. And mix it all together. Then we're gonna cover it for 30 minutes. Yes, I know, I'm sorry, this bread does take a couple of hours to make. Okay, now, woo! I left it for a little bit longer than half an hour because I had things to do, but that's fine. You don't need to be exact. You can leave it for longer if you want. We want wet, clean hands because we're gonna do something called a stretch and fold. Scrape around the sides first of all. So stretch and fold is you basically take a piece of the dough and you fold it over. Don't stretch it so high that it breaks. You just wanna gently grab it and fold it over. Honestly, you just need to do one on each side. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are gonna leave this for another half hour again. Okay, we're back. Super duper wet hands. Scrape the sides. Oh, you see those like big bubbles? That's what you want. Back in another half hour. Hello, and we're back. I don't know what this part is called actually. You lift it up and then you slightly leave that for like, honestly, just a couple of minutes. This looks really ready. The thing with breads like this is that you can go again and again and again and again, and you can let this proof overnight even if you wanted to. You can also just do it once if you're in a super rush. The main thing that it impacts is just how many nice bubbles are in the bread, so up to you. You want to very gently bring this bad boy here. How many pieces do I want? I'm thinking 6. Super optional. I'm just in a very experimental phase of my life. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of semolina flour over this because I think it'll add a nice crunch. There we go. Again, let's leave these for like 15 minutes, but if you're in a rush, don't worry about it. Alrighty, welcome to my beautiful old oven. Okay. In they go for about 20 to 25 minutes. Trust me on this, chuck some ice cubes at the bottom of your oven. And then close the door. Nice. Okay, this one, tiny bit burnt. We're gonna ignore that one. I gotta tell you, the smell, amazing. It's so crunchy. Ready to go with some hummus, some chicken, some cheese, make a fat sandwich. I do have to leave now, so I don't have time to turn them into sandwiches for you guys, but you can imagine.